Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an amazing 4-bedroom detached property. This is Henley from Anwyl Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located in Chester. There are really good primary and secondary schools nearby. You can check the location map. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, kitchen with dining and living space, utility and also washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, living and kitchen and dining space. So let's explore the living room first. A very comfortable living room with good style and space. You can easily plan a corner sofa like this or 2 to 3 sofa sets, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You're getting a big bay window towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling in the living room. I like the idea of having these kind of extended bay windows in the house. The rooms look very spacious. You have similar type of windows even on the first floor for the bedrooms. I'll be taking you around. Overall, a really beautiful living room with very good space and style. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining space, which are coming at the back. Now this is a very lengthy kitchen with living and dining space. This looks really stunning. So towards one side you have the kitchen space, in between you can plan your dining table, and towards the right side and you also have the second living space. Again, it's totally up to you how you want to convert it. Now you have 2 good windows in this living and dining space with the patio door leading towards the garden behind it. So they set up some kind of fireplace in this show home, but this is not common for all the properties. You'll get a decent garden with fence around it, and also they're providing with this double French door access towards the garden. These doors are really wide, so plenty of natural light falls in the kitchen and dining space. So now moving towards the kitchen space. Again, the kitchen space is quite decent. You have this worktop spread out on 3 different sides with various cupboards at the bottom and on the top. Again, towards the kitchen side you have a wide window, and they're also providing the gas hob and double oven this side, and you also have a fridge and freezer coming towards the opposite side. So they gave the space for the fridge and freezer towards this side. Now you have really good space even to plan the double door fridge. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to go for the single door one, you can. So just beside the kitchen you have the small utility space here. The boiler is coming in the utility. You also have a wash basin and the space for the washing machine and dryer. And there's also a door to access the garden from the utility. Overall, a really good kitchen and the utility space. Also, as you just come out of this kitchen, towards your right side, you have the washroom here in the ground floor. The space looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. Now, just beside the washroom, you have the small storage space with a little door. You can plan some kind of storage in here, like how they plan the footwear. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now, moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, we have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So, first exploring the master bedroom of the house. So this is a double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed like this, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. Towards one side you can plan your wardrobes, and towards the other side you have a very big bay window with plenty of natural light falling in. So there's really good ventilation. A very spacious bedroom, and with these extended bay windows, it's looking more beautiful. You can plan your wardrobes towards the other side like this. The space is quite decent. And towards the opposite side, you have the attached bath. The space in the bathroom looks quite okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and they also provided a window. So plenty of light and ventilation. Overall, a decent bedroom with good space. Now, just beside the master bedroom, you're getting the second bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom, but it's slightly smaller than the master bedroom. You can also plan a king size bed even in this room, or a double bed like this, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. Towards one side, you're getting a big window, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. You can also plan your wardrobes like this in this room, but if you're not planning a wardrobe, the room looks much bigger. So this was the second bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the third bedroom. Just beside the third bedroom, you also have some extra storage space with a door and lock. You can plan some kind of storage in here. So this is the third bedroom. Again, this is a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double bed like this, and there's really good room space to walk around. And in this room, the wardrobes are going inside, so you have some extra space in the room. The window designs are different in each and every room, if you observe. So in the master bedroom they gave the bay windows, and for other rooms it's the regular windows. But again, 3 bedrooms are double bedrooms. And this is the wardrobe space here. The good thing is it's going inside the wall, so it's not disturbing the room space. Overall, a decent bedroom with good space. Now let's check out the 4th bedroom of the house. So this is smaller than the double bedroom, but again slightly bigger than the single room. You can plan a small cot like this, and there's really good space to walk around. You also get a wide window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. This is the smallest room in the house. But even in this room towards the other side, they have actually planned the wardrobes. Now let's check out the common bathroom, which is coming beside these bedrooms. So this is the family bathroom. The space is really good. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they also gave a walk-in shower. And the window size also is big, so plenty of natural light falling in this bathroom. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with really good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.